protects drone from dust, debris, uneven ground, and ensures safe, stable takeoff and landing. My today's video is about top 5 best drone landing pads that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at STARTRC Photo Drone Landing Pads. This drone landing pad is a reliable and practical accessory designed to improve drone takeoff and landing safety in all environments. Made from high-quality waterproof PU-PVC material, it is both durable and easy to clean, resisting mud, sand, and snow with simple rinsing. The double-sided high-visibility design helps pilots easily position their drones even in challenging conditions. It is compatible with a wide range of drones, including DJI Mini, Avata, and other popular RC quadcopters, ensuring stable performance on grass, dirt, sand, or rocky terrain. The weighted design keeps the pad firmly in place, preventing it from blowing away in windy conditions, while its foldable structure makes it highly portable and travel-friendly. Measuring 22 inches by 22 inches, it unfolds quickly for instant setup and folds neatly into backpacks or storage cases. The bright color options improve visibility in low-light or foggy conditions, enhancing landing accuracy. With sun protection, fade resistance, and a waterproof storage bag included, it is a dependable solution for both beginner and professional drone users. Now our second product is CQT Drone Landing Pads. This universal drone landing pad is a practical and reliable accessory designed to ensure safe takeoff and landing in almost any environment. With a 21.65-inch foldable design, it is compatible with a wide range of drones including DJI Avata, Mavic series, Mini series, Air 2S, Spark, and many other FPV and consumer drones. The double-sided yellow and dark gray color scheme improves visibility and helps pilots quickly identify the landing zone, even from a distance. Its foldable structure makes it highly portable, and the included storage bag allows for easy carrying during outdoor travel or field use. Made from premium PU material, the pad is waterproof, wear-resistant, stain-resistant, and wind-resistant, making it suitable for use on sand, grass, dirt, or snowy surfaces. It provides a stable and clean landing area that protects drones from debris and uneven ground. The package also includes 4 ground nails for added stability in windy conditions. Overall, it is a durable, portable, and essential tool for safer drone operations. Our third product is Acrotor Drone Landing Pads. This LED night drone landing pad is a practical and upgraded accessory designed to improve both safety and visibility during drone operations. Its removable LED light strip makes night flying and landing much easier, allowing pilots to clearly identify the landing zone even in low-light conditions. It is widely compatible with popular drones such as DJI Mini, Avata, Mavic series, Air, Spark, and other FPV models, making it a versatile choice for many users. The double-sided, dual-color design enhances visibility and helps drones quickly locate home or emergency landing positions, even in challenging environments like mud, gravel, or uneven terrain. Constructed from high-quality nylon material, the pad is waterproof, dustproof, durable, and lightweight. It is also easy to clean and simply rinse with water and air dry. The foldable design allows for quick setup and compact storage, fitting easily into most drone cases. With its included waterproof storage bag, it is highly portable and ideal for outdoor travel, offering reliable performance day and night. Now number 4, Sanhooii Drone Landing Pads. This Sanhooii Drone Landing Pad is a compact and versatile solution designed for safe drone takeoff and landing across various environments. Measuring 19.69 inches by 19.69 inches with a 3 mm thick soft rubber base, it is compatible with a wide range of drones including DJI Avata 2, Mavic series, Mini series, Air models, and other FPV drones. Its high-visibility blue color stands out clearly against different backgrounds such as sand, grass, forests, concrete, or agricultural fields, helping pilots easily identify the landing zone in any setting. The durable, wear-resistant, and wind-resistant construction ensures stable performance, while the anti-slip surface adds extra grip for safer landings. Additional DIY accessories like reflective stickers allow customization for night or foggy conditions, while included clips and ground nails provide extra stability in strong winds. The pad is also highly portable, folding or rolling easily into the included storage bag for convenient travel. Overall, it is a practical, durable, and multifunctional landing pad suitable for both beginners and experienced drone users. And our last choice is Yingjee Drone Landing Pads. This 22-inch waterproof drone landing pad is a practical and durable accessory designed to improve drone safety during takeoff and landing. Made from premium waterproof nylon with high-precision outdoor printing, it is resistant to water, sun exposure, and fading, ensuring long-lasting outdoor use. Its universal 55 cm size makes it compatible with a wide range of drones, including DJI Mavic series, Phantom models, Inspire drones, 3DR Solo, Parrot drones, and many others. This versatility makes it suitable for both hobbyists and professional drone pilots. The foldable and lightweight design allows for quick setup and easy storage in the included zipper bag with a hand strap, making it highly portable for outdoor adventures. For added safety, the pad includes reflective strips for night visibility and 3 ground nails to secure it firmly in windy conditions. Overall, it provides a stable, visible, and reliable landing surface, helping protect drones from dirt, uneven ground, and environmental hazards during flight operations. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.